Next up, unknown threat for White Lotus. In this, we need to kill 30 enemies of the unknown forces in Ashika Island or Vondel with a suppressed pistol with headshots. This is a pretty simple mission. Obviously, the easiest thing to do is head across to your loadout and change one of your insured weapons to be a pistol with a suppressor on it. So that's exactly what I'll do. Handguns, we'll pick something powerful, and now we'll add a suppressor to it. Of course, I don't have this unlocked. There we go. We have one here with a suppressor on it. So all we'll do is equip that and we'll head to Vondel or the Ashika Island. Of course, you can also place a scope on it should you like, if you find that makes things easier for you. For me though, I'll just go in as is, and now we need to find enemies of the unknown forces. Okay, so what are the unknown forces enemies? Well, they're just the general forces running around Vondel. About Ashika, I'm not entirely sure, but they're the ones wearing red, and they spawn all over the place. Most of the time you'll find them over in the floating district. That's usually where I find tons and tons of enemies, but they do spawn everywhere. For example, this one here, plop, there's one, etc. These are really just any enemies on this island, so it's surprising the only thing that's out of the ordinary is using a suppressed pistol if you're not usually that kind of person. Obviously, you'll want to bring a lot of plates with you, as you will be out in the open with just a pistol, and obviously if you're not landing shots as often as you'd hope, you'll need plates to tank everything. So there we go, you can already see we've finished 10 of them just by clearing out one simple area. You can head literally anywhere on the map. Obviously, you'll want to find these unarmored enemies instead of the heavily armored or medium armor enemies running around in different armored locations. So there's 13, there we go, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. As soon as we get this dude, that didn't go to plan. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, one more and we're done. 30. Cool. There we go. So that's about it for Unknown Threat. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.